welcome to my little tutorial on how I braid my hair down for under a wig. So I freshly washed my hair. I'm going to use the Cream of Nature Argan Oil Leave-In Conditioner along with this argan oil from DiFeel, and then just my hair tie and my comb. So first I basically just part my hair in two right down the middle so I can work in sections. I'm gonna do a total of 4 braids. I like to work in sections, so I'm just gonna tie off the one side first, and then I'll go ahead and part this side into 2 and start from the bottom and work my way into the center. I don't really care about having perfect parts either, because I'm just going to try and get it flat in the front so that my wig will lay down nice and flat. I pretty much just finger detangle to make sure that it's a little bit easier to actually braid, so I'm not ripping out my hair. So if you've never braided your hair down before, you're just going to section off the front little area into 3 and go as if you're already just doing a regular braid, and then take your finger and grab a piece from the top and then do the braid, and then go ahead and grab a piece from the bottom. And I grab larger pieces so that I travel from the front of my head towards the back of the head quicker, and the braid lays really flat as opposed to bumpy. I'm gonna speed it up. So we just braid the hair all the way down to the bottom, all the way down to the bottom. Can't see it, but I guess it means it's a little long. So now we're just going into the middle section, and basically we're gonna just do the exact same thing for all the sections. Thanks so much for watching. The next video is how I put the wig down on this lovely braid down I did. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks. Bye.